Hi YouTube team, my channel name is Ed Casillas TV and I review the feedback on my channel, and that content is not clearly an original creation, significant original commentary, substantive, educational and entertainment value. All of my content is original and me by myself and the voiceover of my own voice. I would like to take you through my creativity process. I create my content myself from scratch, and I use CapCut to edit my videos and insert animation and music. I also use exclusive clips and images from my videos. The clips and images are taken from my story blocks. Also, I record in my own voice using my voice recording apps, and I import my voice into the CapCut and do the creative process. All content of my channel is all about the latest news and the viral videos, and also entertainment and documentary. For all my content, I do the research. I create entire my content with a script, and also I handwrite for all my videos, and I create my own voiceover and put together and added all my videos using CapCut, just like creating all my videos and the content. But I don't use anybody else content, and this is my production process. The majority of my content is all about latest news, viral videos, entertainment and documentaries. And I use my own voice and my voiceover and exclusive clips as you have seen in my videos. Now I played with you to please reinstate my monetization, and I'll very grateful and thank you very much for taking time to watch this video, and I hope that this will be sufficient. Thank you so much. Have a great day.